So over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got different chats right here. And let's say what I want is I want to, let's say, archive out all of the chats right here. In that case, you can go around over here onto your settings, and then you can see that archive all chats is an option. If I were to go around and archive all, you can click on archive, and then what happens is that everything just disappears, as you can see right here, as if there's no chats. But they are not deleted, they're just archived. So if I were to go around over here onto settings right here and then go to manage archive chat, you can still see all of the chat right here, just like this. And you can go around and archive these chats out right here, just like this, one by one as well, on what you want to bring up. So you can go around and click them out to bring it out all. But apart from archiving, you can also permanently delete out all the chats so that you don't have any history remaining. So for that, if I were to go around onto my profile and go to settings, then I have an option to delete all of the chats as well. And once I confirm the deletion right here, then everything will be deleted around over here. So it's not there anymore. So over here, if I were to go to archive, then you don't have the archive anymore as well. Because when you delete all the chats, then it deletes out the archive chats as well. So you got to be very sure that you want to delete everything if you want to click on the delete all button right here. And that is how you can archive and delete all of the chats inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.